Narrator window heading level 1, scan, exiting narrator.
Settings, scan off, taskbar pane. Scan off. Quick settings pane, sound output, slider, 45%. Settings window, accessibility. Narrator, toggle switch, on. Keyboard switch to English, United Kingdom, English, India. Start window, search window, settings, settings window. Settings window, search box, find system, 2 of 12, selected. Fix problems without resetting your PC, button, more. One, grave accent. Search box. Muhammad, system, 2 of desktop, micro, OneDrive, link, display, 1, note, focus, power and storage, nearby sharing, multi, activation, troubleshoot, recovery, fix problems without resetting your PC, button, more. Fix problem, reset, advanced, quick machine recovery, button, more. Quick machine recovery, toggle switch, on. If your device fails to start, we'll try to fix the problem with device recovery solutions. Quick machine recovery, toggle switch, on. If your device fails to start, we'll try to fix the problem with device. Continue searching if a solution isn't found. Toggle switch, off. Select how often your device searches for which 30 minutes.
Quick machine recovery adds a new option in Windows recovery environment.
Group. Restart every 72 hours. Recommended. Combo box. Collapsed. Desktop list. Start window, search window, taskbar pane, start, button, on. No item in view. Start window.
Let I show you the quick machine recovery is available on the WinRAR.
4 of 14.
Let's see the new option is available in WinRAR.
Accessibility, 10 of 12. Narrator, toggle switch, on. Exiting narrator.
Open Settings System Recovery Advanced Startup Restart now. If this method doesn't work, hold down Shift click Restart. Now it's rebooted into Windows recovery environment. Click Troubleshoot, Advanced option. Now you will see a new option called Quick Machine Recovery.
Starting narrator. Text area, editing. Space. Boot up window.
Quick Machine
Continue.
Recovery is a cloud-based tool or download bug fixes from Microsoft.
Button. Let your device search for solutions to repair itself, previously known as startup repair.
Let's test this quick machine recovery option. Let's test this quick machine recovery option.
Progress window. Progress window. Diagnosing your PC. Bookmark mark equals continuous reading process item end ID -1 /. Text area, editing. Boot up
This is
window.
new automatic repair error
Select
screen.
enter for more
This not
recovery
corrupt your
options.
Windows,
Button.
but the old automatic repair error is corrupt Windows.
I will show you how to reboot into Windows recovery environment through this screen. Press enter in your keyboard and it will show us more recovery options button dialog. Here we need to click on troubleshoot, then it will show us Windows recovery environment tail.
Click or select Quick Machine Recovery button. Let your device boot up window. Continue.